Hi, I'm Eileen. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the American Influencer Beauty Bundle for August-September 2020. The American Influencer Beauty Bundle is a bi-monthly subscription bundle. It features influencer brands and products, and each bundle features a new influencer and 5 or 6 full-size beauty products based on their passion and expertise. Could be makeup, could be skincare, could be hair care. Cost is $34 a month if you pay monthly, and the value of each box is guaranteed to be at least $100. So as I said, each bi-monthly subscription bundle features a new influencer. So the August-September box, their takeover this time was with Purlisse, and this is their Watermelon Summer Bundle. Now, Purlisse was founded by Jennifer Yen. She's an actor best known for playing Vipra in the Power Rangers, and this box is advertised as being 5 full-size products valued at over $100, plus a free pouch and a free Aqua Balm. So first thing we see is our card, and this is Jennifer Yen. She is the founder and CEO of Purlisse, and she talks a little bit about the fact that she created Purlisse to show the beauty and spirit of her heritage. This is our card. Also tells us a little bit about what we're going to be getting inside and what the prices are. So the first thing in the box, here's the box opened up, and it says up here, be strong, be beautiful, be you. Kind of like that. So the first thing is the watermelon canvas cosmetic bags. Now, according to the box description, this is a free item. It's really cute watermelon design, and on the back it says give your skin a burst of energy. It's actually a pretty deep bag. You could probably fit most of what's in the box within here. So it's a cute little bag. It does retail for $10, but according to the box description, this was a free item. So the second item in here is the Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel-Off Mask. And this says it purifies pores, brightens skin, and visibly firms and tightens, and it's for all skin types. And it is an antioxidant-packed peel-off mask with a marshmallow texture that works to energize, brighten, and tighten the appearance of skin. Watermelon is loaded with vitamins A, B, and C, along with antioxidants. And there's blackberry to help refine pores, cranberry to fight free radicals, and elderberry to brighten and detoxify. And this is 2.5 fluid ounces or 70 milliliters, and it retails for $24. Okay, so our next item is the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm, and this, I guess, is our free Aqua Balm. So this is obviously a travel size. Now, according to the card here, the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm lists it as a $24 price, but that is the price of the full-size 50 milliliter version. This is a 10 milliliter or 1/3 of an ounce, so that's clearly the travel size $15 version. I hope they're not counting that $24 when they say that they're giving me $100 worth of stuff. We'll find out. So the ingredients in here, you've got watermelon to moisturize the skin, aloe vera to help reduce inflammation, white tea to protect skin from cellular damage, and cucumber to help soothe and firm the skin. So this would be really cute. You can throw it in the purse, you know, whatever, but it's a nice way to try it. I like getting these larger, what they call deluxe samples, although I believe this is something that they do sell this as the travel size. But I love getting ones this size because you can try something, see if you like it before you go out and spend the money on the full. Although the fact that this is $15 and 10 milliliters and the 50 milliliter version is only $24 doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me. But anyway. Okay, our next thing is, okay, this is clearly not watermelon. This is coconut oil and coffee body scrub. So it's coconut oil and coffee body scrub. Now the card says it's coconut oil and coffee sugar body scrub, but this one says coffee body scrub. The packaging is also a little different than the card, but I guess maybe they're changing the packaging. I don't know which is the old and which is the new, but it is sealed, so I'm not too concerned about that. Ingredients include coconut oil, which is rich in anti-inflammatory benefits, so it's soothe and moisturize and nourish. It's got coffee, which has antioxidants and helps to reduce the appearance of cellulite. Hey, that can't be bad, right? And sugarcane, which gently exfoliates dead skin cells. It does mention that it smells like coffee. I'm going to share what is, I'm sure, an unpopular opinion. I don't like coffee, and I hate the smell of coffee. I mean, to the point of, like, makes me nauseous. So this will be going in a future giveaway. It is 170 grams, 6 ounces, and it retails for $24. They do also have a 3-ounce size, which would be half the size of this, for $15, but this is the full size, 6 ounce. Okay, and we also have the coconut oil and coffee Silky body butter. Again, different packaging than what's on the card. I also did check Purlisse's website when I was trying to do a little research before the box arrived, and the one that's on the card is what's on their website, so I don't know if I've got old packaging here or what's going to be new packaging. But again, we're sealed, so I'm not worried about it. But again, this is a Silky body butter that smooths, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes. It's got coconut oil to soften and nourish the skin, coffee to reinvigorate and awaken your skin, fruit extracts to promote elasticity, clarity, and skin suppleness, and here we go again, the invigorating coffee scent. So this will also be going in a giveaway. 170 grams, 6 ounces, and this retails for $24. Okay, and our next item is the pink charcoal and watermelon purifying cleansing milk. Now this one was not available on the Purlisse website. I did find it available at CVS, and based on a press release that I did find at the Purlisse website, it seems like the line of products in the pink charcoal and watermelon line were being sold exclusively at CVS. And the ingredients in this are pink clay, which helps boost skin clarity, control excess oil, and minimize the appearance of pores. Charcoal to help remove toxins from the skin surface. Watermelon, again, which is packed with vitamin A, B6, and C to keep skin energized and hydrated. Green tea, which is an antioxidant, and that helps to promote clear skin. Soy milk, which is rich in amino acids and contains skin elasticity. And whole oats to calm and soothe sensitive skin. And this is 100 milliliters or 3.4 ounces, and this retails for $9.99. So wait, this one has green tea and soy milk. We've got a couple here with coffee. Am I the only one getting thirsty around here? Anyway, I digress. Our last item in the box is pink charcoal and watermelon antioxidant face mist. Ingredients in here are the pink clay, charcoal, watermelon, and green tea, just like what's in the purifying cleansing milk. And there's also aloe vera to moisturize skin without clogging your pores, and cucumber to soothe skin while toning and tightening. And this one is 3.4 fluid ounces or 100 milliliters, and it retails for $9.99. Let's see if we can smell this one. Because, you know, it's a spray, so I'm going to spray it on my arm rather than in the air and, you know, all over the place. Come on, let's see how the spritz is. It's a nice mist. Oh. Love that. It's very watermelony. Not overly sweet, not like candy watermelon-y, but it smells very fresh. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy that. Okay, this just made it all worth the while. So anyway, what did we get? We got the watermelon canvas cosmetic bag, and I will be putting this in a giveaway because I have more than enough makeup bags, and what I'm hoping to do is take some of the ones that I get and some of the extra ones that I have, and when I do giveaways I will just see how many products I can fit in it, and we'll use that as a chunk of the giveaway, and then if there's more room in the box we may throw a few more things in. So we have the makeup bag, cosmetic bag, whatever they want to call it, that will be going in a giveaway. The watermelon energizing marshmallow peel-off mask. That I'm looking forward to try. I do enjoy a peel-off mask. I'm not a big fan of sheet masks, but a peel-off mask I'm willing to give a try. And again, watermelon, marshmallow, you're speaking my language here, people. Okay, our next one is the watermelon energizing Aqua Balm. A little trial size. This I'm going to keep. I think this will be great to throw in my purse, or if I ever leave the house again, or just leave on my desk rather than a great big bottle. Hair. Ugh. But yes, this one I'm going to keep and try it out before I decide whether or not it's worth buying another one in the full size. Our coffee products, the coconut oil and coffee body scrub and the coconut oil and coffee silky body butter. These will both be going in giveaway, and I hope somebody who really enjoys coffee, or at least the smell of coffee, will enjoy them. The pink charcoal and watermelon purifying cleansing milk. I'm going to put this one in the giveaway as well. I will keep the mask myself, and I will give away the cleanser. And the pink charcoal and watermelon antioxidant face mist. Oh yeah, I'm keeping that. I may have to place an order at CVS and get more of it, because this is not going to last. I'm going to be spraying this all day long. I just hope it doesn't bother the dog. Okay, so how did we do? They promised us that this $34 box was going to have 5 full-size products valued at over $100, plus a free pouch and the free mini Aqua Balm. So the actual value of the 5 full-size products that we got, by my calculation, was $91.98. Let me go grab my handy-dandy calculator. I'm going to double-check that, because I hate to say they're wrong when they're not. So we have the mask at $24, the sugar scrub at $24, the body butter at $24, the cleansing milk at $9.99, and the face mist, yep, $91.98. They say it's 5 full-size products over $100. I didn't quite make that. But if you include the $15 travel size hand cream and the $10 makeup bag in there, we do come up to $116.98. So they do cross that $100, just they squeaked by it. You know, I'm a lawyer in a former life. I would have an issue with the fact that they said that it was 5 full-size products valued at $100 plus the free stuff, but I'm not in court. I'm going to go with the fact that we did get over $100 worth of product. And the value of what I'm keeping, which is the peel-off mask, the trial size Aqua Balm, and that face mist, $48.99. I paid $34. I'm happy, and we've got 3 products plus the cosmetic bag that will go in a future giveaway. So all in all, not too bad. So what did you think about this month's American Influencer Beauty Bundle? Have you ever purchased one of these? Would you consider purchasing one in the future? This was my first one, so I will see what the next bundle is. You can just purchase one bundle and not get the next one. You don't have to subscribe and automatically get them. So not sure if we're going to get the next one. We'll see who the influencer is. But so far for this month, I'm not mad at it. Am I thrilled? Not so much, although, okay, maybe I'm pretty happy. Anyway, let me know down in the comments what you think of the beauty box, and if you've ever tried anything from Purlisse. Is there anything else from Purlisse that I should try? Because I've never bought anything from this brand before, so if there's something I'm missing, please let me know in the comments. While you're down there, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. It really does help the channel, and it helps get me into the YouTube algorithm, so maybe other people might find out about my videos. And if you enjoyed the video today, please consider subscribing to my channel. It's the best way to keep up with whatever new videos I'm posting. And there'll be more unboxings, there'll be some haul videos, and some makeup try-ons, and trying new brands and things that YouTube made me buy. So if that sounds good to you, please consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it, and I'd really love to have you stick around. And until next time, thank you for taking your time out to hang out with me for a little while. Take good care of yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.